Today's video, I sell my bags and accessories, so let's get into this one. Hi guys, I hope you're fine. I'm back to this YouTube channel and I'm very happy because today's video is a new video. I sell my bags and accessories, luxury bags. Yes, I'm forever grateful because thanks to you, I sold the first few bags I had. And thank you for believing me, thank you for believing in my company, and thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is very nice. And welcome in the margavalux family. If you don't know me yet, my name is margavalux. I'm 27 years old. I live in Barcelona and I'm French. I do mostly YouTube videos about handbags, luxury handbags, sometimes fashion, sometimes a bit of beauty and lifestyle, depends, but mostly about luxury because, you know, this is my passion. Anyway, so this is how it works. I created my own company a few weeks ago now because lots of people were asking for it, and so I sell bags and accessories, designer bags and accessories, shoes, jewelry and everything, and I'm very happy because it's like the dream job. I could not dream a better job ever. So no, I'm very happy. Also, if you speak French or do understand French, I have my French YouTube channel for like a year and a half or 2 years now. So yes, I just made my new YouTube channel in English because I believe it's better because it's worldwide and you guys can enjoy also what I have to say. So for every designer items you're gonna see, I'm gonna give you the price in USD but also in Euro. I ship worldwide. So if you want to buy anything, you can, because I can ship like to US, to UK, to Australia, to South America and everywhere. Let's start with the first designer bags I want to show you, and it's this one. This is the mini speedy. Well, this is kind of the nano speedy, which is amazing. Like, I really love it. The canvas is in very good condition. It's not dry and it's not sticky, so this is very good. The bag is in very good condition actually for like a mini one, so I'm very happy. Concerning the condition of the bag too, like every leather parts are caramelized, so this is very good because it's already nice. Here, this, like the zipper is in very good condition too. The side of the bag, as you can see. Something else, you can see every designer items I have to sell on the website bamluxurystore.com. This is my website, I've created it, so you can go and see every designer like who are already available on the website and for sale. You have every photos, you have sometimes videos. Anyway, if you need anything like photos, videos, or let me know in the comments and I will reply to you very gladly. For this one, and also, first arrived, first served. Always, if you are the first to ask me and to pay for a bag or anything, you will be the first to have it. Always. So if you are interested in some designer item I show you, just be quick, because I also make videos in French on my French YouTube channel and also do drop live every Sunday on my TikTok account and on my Instagram account of the brand Bam Luxury Store. So be very quick because it can go very fast. I already sold like few stuff, so let's go. Anyway, let's get back to this baby. So this one, you have also the Entropy certificate. So Entropy is like famous company who works with LVMH. So this is like a legit company who's working with intelligence artificial to see if a bag is authentic or not. Anyway, all the bags are authenticated in Paris by experts, and then I authenticate them too, and you also have an Entropy certificate. So at the end you have 3 different authentications, so this is good. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna see also the interior of the bag. The interior is in very good condition. You have the etiquette here, you have the code of the bag just here under the etiquette. No stains inside. It's very nice. I actually love it. Like, you know, it's very fancy, it's mini. So it's very cute, it's very mini, and it's worth it. Like, about the price I'm gonna give you right now, it's $829 US approximately, because it's always changing. On the website, every prices are in euro, but if you connect from USA or if you connect from the UK, you're gonna have a price in your money. Like, if you connect from USA, you're gonna have a USD. If you connect from the UK, you're gonna have pounds and everything. So it's up, I say it's approximately because it can change always, but in euro it's 800 euros, so it's not gonna change in euros. USD, it depends on the day. Okay, so this one is for sale. It is very amazing, so if you want it, let's go. Okay, we're gonna go for the second designer bag I want to show you today, and I'm very excited because this is an Hermes. Yes! So you are going to love it. Ta-da! So you have the dust bag for this one. I also have the entreprise certificates for this baby. So this is very good actually. And ta-da! This is the garden party. This is the size 36. I have another one in black. I don't know if when I'm filming this video is the black one is still available. The black one is size 30. It comes with a box and a dust bag. This one is size 36 and it comes with a dust bag. So this is a green fabric. You have also a grained leather color brown, very browny actually because it's almost black, so it's a very dark brown. I'm gonna show you the bag. It's very good condition actually. So this is stunning. Like look at this. You only have like a little stain here, like very little stain in white. Otherwise, under the bag, this is very, very good condition as you can see. And I'm gonna show you the inside of the bag. Also, the inside of the bag is in very, very good condition. I'm very happy you have no big stain, no stain at all actually. So this is good. On this one, you have a little odor. So it's not that big, but you still have like a small odor. I will try to remove it like completely, but yeah, you have a little odor. So I needed to tell you because I don't want to hide you anything when you buy the bags. So yes, this is actually a very cool one. I love it. And yeah, it's like green, olive, green khaki. This is actually very good. You have the stamp inside here on this side, normally on this kind of bag. Yeah, it's the stamp T. I don't know if I see right. Yeah, I think it's written on the entreprise certificate anyway, but it's very, very cool. I love this one. And something to know, if you are in Paris, I am in Paris every month for a few days, or if you are in Barcelona and you want to buy anything, just contact me and we will organize anything. About the price for this one, I'm gonna give you right now in USD. So this is 1,337 USD approximately, and in euro it's 1,290 euro. So this is actually a very, very, very good price for an Hermes bag. Like guys, come on, like this is a 36 garden party, like under 1,300 euros. So this is insane. So if you want it, just let me know in the comments and be quick, for real. And if you are looking for any other bag, just let me know also in the comments if you are looking for something specific. But keep in mind that I cannot do any magic also concerning the price. I try to have very low price for you, but I am still like a company. I still need to make my margin to pay for the taxes and IVA and everything. And I also buy the bags, so you know. But I will try always to have the best price ever I can get to you because I don't want to sell like for overpricing. But this one is very good. Okay, let's go for another Hermes bag. Ta-da-da. This is this one, and you have the box. I'm gonna do the unboxing. I'm very happy that I'm able to do this. So yes, this is the unboxing. You have the box, you have the dust bag, you have the entreprise certificate too for this one. We're gonna open this together. So this one is a vintage baby, as you can see with the dust bag. So the dust bag looks already amazing. I love it. This is such a cool material. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna open it. We're not gonna waste any time for you. So, wow. This is a herbag. So I'm gonna put like the dust bag here. So this is the herbag. I'm very grateful that I was able to find you this, guys. This is beige gold leather. And here, this is like a canvas, but a very cool canvas because this is not easy to damage. Like you can clean it very easily, you can do anything. It's not going to be like damaged very quickly. So this is actually very, very good. And for this one, let me show you. I also had the other bag, like the other pochettes you can change. You can change the one you want. You can keep this one, or you can put this one. It's also in fabric, and it makes you like another bag. It's like a 2-in-1 bag. This is actually very, very, very cool. So I'm gonna put this here again. Okay, so let's see this bag. So this one is the herbag from Hermes. This is in very good condition. As you can see here, this is the gold leather. It has some little scratches, of course. This is not new, and the leather is very smooth. Here it's damaged a little bit, but because I'm gonna show you why it's always like this on the airbags usually. Because when you close the bag, I'm gonna show you how. Here, you're gonna close it from here, and it's gonna damage a bit the bag because of this. Under this section, you have a little thing that damage a bit the leather, and it's on almost every airbag. So This is a bit wide. This is not something very, very big, so don't worry. You will have every photo on the website. Go see the photos, obviously. And yes, this is very good. I'm gonna show you like the inside of the bag. I don't know if you're gonna, guys, be able to see very, very well, but anyway, every photos are available on the website already. So the inside of the bag is a very good condition. I'm really impressed. It has like the odor of the leather and also of the dust bag and about the metallic parts. So no like weird odors at all. So this is good. Okay, on the back of the bag, you have obviously the strap. You can remove the strap if you want. You have a little keys if you need it. And you have a locker, you have a key locker. So this is very, very fancy. The bag is actually in very good condition. And under the bag too, like you don't have like big stains, it's not damaged or anything. So actually this bag looks amazing and the color is like a classic one. I really have like good luck finding this one for you guys. So if you want it, just let me know in the comments right now. The price also is amazing. The price in USD for this one is 1,960 USD approximately, and in euro it's 1,890 euros. So this is very worth the price. And yeah, let me know in the comments very, very quick. Okay, we're gonna go for the other bag. I'm gonna put this baby just here slowly. Voila. I love it. This is very, very nice. This bag looks insane. Okay, the other one, I'm gonna just put this a bit here. The other one is this amazing keepall size 60. And for the keepall, I have the dust bag and I have a locker, like the key lock and the keys with it. So this is very good. For this one, this is an amazing one. And let me show you, it comes with the strap, guys. Yes, I am freaking happy because you guys were asking for the keepall. Lots of you were asking for it and I found it with the strap and size 60. So this is the perfect size for weekends. It is in amazing condition, guys. It's crazy. I'm very happy. The canvas is very good condition, not dry, not sticky. So this is very good. You have no big stain on it. You have the etiquette just here, so this is good. You have like a small stain on the etiquette, but it's not a new bag, but still. You don't have under the bag any big stain, so this is clearly very good because the bag was used a bit, but not that much. And on the side also, very good condition. Oh, I'm so happy. This side too. And on the other side, so this is the other side of the bag, same. No big stain, no damage at all. The zipper also are in very good condition. I'm really impressed, like very, very much. Like the zippers here, super good. All metallic parts also are very, very nice. You have like a little stain here, but not that much. Also here, but you know, this is a strap, so it's okay. Also the interior of the bag, I put like a blanket inside to keep the form of the bag. But the interior of the bag is in very, very good condition to no stain at all. Like, this is insane. You're gonna see like on the website, you have every link in the description box below. So please check, click on the description, click on the bags you are interested to see the price, to see the photos, to see everything. And this is in a very, very good condition. I'm gonna give you the price right now in USD. So approximately in USD is 738 euros, well, USD. 738 USD, and in euros it's 712 euros. So guys, keepall size 60 with the strap, amazing condition. Guys, go for it. I even have like the dust bag for this one. This is just insane. I've never seen this actually. So this is a very good one. If you guys are interested in any designer item I've just shown you, just let me know in the comments. And if you don't want to pay through the website, you can just contact me. I will send you an invoice and you can make a bank transfer, of course, obviously. And I'm in Paris like every month, so if you want guys to meet in Paris, obviously I'd be very happy to meet you and to sell you the bags in person. And no, yeah, I'm very, very happy. This is a company, so obviously you have an invoice, you have a certificate, you have everything you need. That's all for today. I'm very fortunate to have you guys to see my video. If you did not subscribe yet to my YouTube channel, you can obviously. And don't forget to click on the notification bell below the video to be notified each time I have like new videos out. Make like video every Wednesday and every Sunday mostly. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put you like 2 other videos to watch and I'll see you in a few seconds. So thank you for watching. Merci beaucoup. Okay, bye. Bisous.